Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Hair. My name is Linda. In this channel we talk about hair growth, we talk about natural hair product, making DIY for natural hair growth, doing protective hairstyle. Today I'm gonna show you how to make that avocado hair mask for healthy, juicy, soft hair growth. Okay guys, let's get started. First I'm gonna cut my avocado, and in that blender over there I have some aloe vera. I already cut the aloe vera and put it in the blender. Now I'm cutting my avocado. Avocado is packed with vitamin A, vitamin D, E, and B6, proteins, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, copper, and iron. These are all fantastic for keeping your hair soft and moisturized. The avocado can penetrate the cuticle, and also avocado have a high amount of monounsaturated fat, effectively moisturize and nourish the hair. The next step is adding 2 eggs into the blender. Egg yolk is rich in vitamins that may make your hair more resistant to damage. The yolk may be specialized useful to moisturize hair that appears dry. Egg yolk can be superfood for hair due to the unique combination of vitamins found inside. The vitamin A and E, biotin, folate are just some of the nutrients that can make your hair grow and healthy. Now I'm going to add me some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for being rich in vitamins and minerals, good for your hair like vitamin C and B. Some also claim it contains alpha hydroxy acid, which can help exfoliate your scalp, skin, and it's also anti-inflammatories that can help also with dandruff. Now I'm going to add me some honey. Honey are both emollient and humectant properties that make it great hair moisturizer. Emollients soften the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectant bond with the water molecules, adding moisturize to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking shine, honey can help restore the natural luster to your hair. Now I'm going to add some castor oil. Castor oil is good to help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibilities and decreasing chance of breakage. It also can benefit if you have dryness, dandruff, flaky skin on the scalp. Now I'm going to add me half of cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and also has an ingredient that can help with blood flow to your scalp and hair growth. It's called vitamin B5, known as a pantothenic acid, and may even help against hair thinning and hair loss. Now after I finish blend everything, I'm gonna remove everything and place them in a bowl. This hair mask is ready to use. I'm gonna add me some essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. I'm going to add me some lavender essential oil and peppermint essential oil. I'm adding 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Now I'm going to add me some peppermint essential oil. I'm going to mix everything together. The hair mask is ready to use. Now it's time to apply it to our hair. I'm going to show you how I apply the hair mask into our hair. This hair mask has a lot of benefits for your hair, guys. If you want to try it, go ahead and do so. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Always thank you and bye. Have a blessed day. Thank you all for watching. Guys, this is how our hair look like after I finish wash the product out of our hair. Our hair feels so soft and moisturized. Go ahead and try this product. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.